my friends.
Sir, sample! Sample! Sample!
December 25, 2000.
2000 ano?
December 25, 2009. Last Christmas. December 26, 2009.
December.
I don't know. Dancing the very next day.
What's Bruce Lee's favorite drink?
I know. Wait.
Practice teacher yesterday, she told me this joke. Let me see if I can remember. Who knows how to do magic tricks?
Magic flicks.
Magic sarap!
Alam ko!
Magic sarap!
Turon! Pag-magic. Tarin!
Sir, sarap.
Good one!
Yo, pumunta lang ako.
Oh, this is a good one. I will teach you knock knock!
Who's there? Who's there? Volume. Ano yung nakita din?
Last minute. Do you guys have a comment? Sir,
No,
Ano some teacher?
Galileo has a problem with me sitting on the desk. On their evaluation, they put that there. Sir, you shouldn't sit on the desk. I know I'm not supposed to. It's a rule, right? None of your other teachers do this. This is a strategy.
No?
It makes you look at me though. He's just sitting on the desk. I was gonna worry you, sir. Alright, last message for you class. Don't do drugs.
Sir, you know marijuana?
Mary Jane!
You're arguably the top section of the school. Arguably. So like a lot of you guys had some of you guys have the same problems about girls, boys, stuff like that. You guys are never thought about. So I'm not gonna name the names. If you ever run into problems like that, or if you ever think it's too much, you're only 16, what, 15, 16? Oh my God!
Saiki, Norien.
Don't worry, you guys are young. So what you guys should do for real, like you should write. Anyways, class, I enjoyed our memories. Who knows?
Knock knock, please.
Where are we now?